Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the e-commerce website. This part I forgot to design this one. Okay, so I have designed this and this. I want to design this header part, header section. I want to make this header section, call us, dress count, this all things I want to design it. So first what you are going to do is I'm going to go to first step. What you are going to do is I'm going to go to my I want to change this font as Poppins. So here the look nice font I want to put it here. So you have to go to how to do the thing is, but go to the Google and type it font Google, fontgoogle.com. Okay, so here this is the fontgoogle.com. Here you have to type the font, whatever font you need, you can get them. So and that Poppins, Poppins. Okay, so here you can get the Poppins font. Okay, so here Poppins. Okay, here you can have a font here. When you go to the Google search here, this is the more popular font. So that here in the Google search also they also recommend that here it will be display over here. Click on this. So here this is a Poppins font. Okay, so where you can get this font. So here whatever this is all the styles are there. Here you can see it's all the styles of this font. So I want to get this one. This font I want to put into my system. So what I did here is you have to go click on this, get the embedded code. Click on this embedded code. So this is the code where you can put inside the HTML header. Okay, so okay, this is the style, CSS style. So here, copy this. Now we are working at the ordinary HTML. We are working as a React. So go to the React index.html file. Here React is a single page application. You go inside the HTML file. Here this inside the add tag. You have to paste on it. Then this font style has been applied entire applications. Okay, so now let's save all. Now we have already applied the style well. Now this is the CSS classes. So if you want to, there are some various. If you want to go along with the Poppins bold, you have to add this one. If you go along with the Poppins light, you go along with this. If you if you want to go along with the extra light, you can go this, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to already add the styles. So these are the Poppins. These are the Poppins, all the fonts. So how to write the font? So that just copy this. I want to apply this one here. Instead of this font, I want to change this as a Poppins. So go to my top bar. It's a top bar section, free offer new customer. Go to the style. So H4, this is H4 tag. The H4 tag I have styled it. The H4 tag I'm going to paste on this. The style normal, this one we don't need them. I want to remove them. Okay, font weight, this one although I only want this font only. Just we have to get rid of these other things. Now let's file save all and bring back to the application. Check here. It has been changed as a Poppins here. It has changed in as a Poppins font here. It has been changed successfully. Okay, it has been changed successfully. Here I'm going to change this one as a 4, bottom 4. Control S to save. Bring back to the application. Control S. Top bar. Okay. Okay. The H4 tag. That's why the style is taken. Okay. So here it's okay for us. Okay. It is okay for us. Now, if you want to, this style is okay for me. Okay. Now what you're going to do is I want to design this stuff. Which one this things we have to design. So how to design? You have an idea. So I want to get another component. For the select the component folder, a new file which is a head dot JSX. Okay, so the JSX and the head dot CSS. Okay, so head dot JSX, what I'm going to do is here, I want to apply this one. I want to put this all things. I just copy it, paste on it here. Here we have to change this one also, the name, head. Here also we have to default here called as head. Here this one should be head.css, head dot class name head. Okay, so here we have to this division tag. I want to make the everything. So here this one we have to make this one as a container. We have to put as a container. It consists of the container consists of 3 items. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the main container. This container I have put into 3 things. Okay, so how to put it here? So let's add the thing is div dot item 3. Okay, press the tab key on your keyboard. It is separated by 3. You will be able to see this is separated by 3. Now we have to go over here. CSS, I want to make the alignment as container, open and close bracket. So here the container I am going to make that style. So the container, if you have a container, I want to make the style it. So what I'm going to do is here container, I want to make it as a display flags. You have to, this one should be the display flags. Okay, so here before that I want to put all the styles. This one should be the logo section. This one should be the what's the things, what's going on, contact details, contact. Another one is a login search. You write icons. Okay, whatever you can give it. I want to separate look like this way. Okay, now the here call, you write this one, you write one paragraph tag or the h1 h2 tag, h 4 tag. You have to put the h4 tag. Call call us call us. Here have to put it there inside the span tag, span. You have to put it the icon. Okay, icon, where you are get it here, you have to go to the Google icons. Go to here, that's all the material icon is there. Click on this search, the which one this is search, call us. So there you have to find it as a call icon. Phone icon is there. You can find it over here. You try to find phone, simply you type it and get the icon. Phone icon. So there are various phone icons are there. You can use one of this. You can use out of this. Let's pick up one of this. Let's check. Let's take off this contact phone. There are various phone icons. That icon is little bit boring. This is a search icon. contact. Let's type contact. Okay, let's use them. This, click on this. So here, this is the font. This is the font. Okay. So what I'm going to do is you have to call this one. Copy this. You have to put into this link into our index.html link. You have to paste it over here. Okay, the index.html. After that, this icon you have to put into here. This is the style. This materials outline style. Just copy it. Everything you just copy it here. So copy it. But what the thing is, sorry. Okay, this is style. Okay, you just copy it. Back it here. The home.jsx here. You have to paste on it. You have to paste it on it. This one we don't need the styles. Okay, that's the thing you have to write. So here, after that, what I'm going to say, I have to call it. So I have to call it here. So how to call it? This icon. Yeah, you can just spam here. This one. Copy this. This code. Just copy this. Paste on it over here. Okay, if you want to test that, save all. And the CSS style. Also, we have to put the CSS style. Just call it here. Top bar. This is top bar on head.css. 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 There will be the container. Container here we have a class name. Got a contact. Here put it material. This one. You have to call it here. This class you have to call it over here. Now let's check it. Okay, then that this add JSX I want to call it our main component, which is here. Then only it should work. Head. Call it over here. It auto completed. Control S to save all. Bring back to the application and check it. Here it's working. Here it's working. You can see this icon is working. The policy later on we have to change it. Okay, here it's working. So it's working. Now you can put into the phone number as well. Let's arrange it the style. Yeah, font settings. Here you write font size 30 pixel. We have to write it. Here it's too much big. So here 25 is enough. Okay, 25 is enough. Okay, this 25 is enough. That's okay for us. Okay, it's okay. Now I want a number. I want to put a number. Also, you have to write a number. Yes, span. You have to call the call. You have a number, something like that. So one, something like that. Control is to save. Okay, here's a number. You have to make a space. There's a number. Okay, this is a call number. Okay, so here it will be look nice. This is how we have to do the programming. So after that, what you're going to see here, we have a thing is here. Right. So now what I'm going to see display flags. Another things you have to do it. Buttons. So the login. What other things are there? The login button. We have to write login button. After that, the search and this shopping cart. So the two items. And another one is a dress count. You have to write this. Another one is a discount. This one should be the logo section. Dress count this is a logo section. So here you have to style it here. Dress count, you have to write this one as a h1 tag. H1 tag. So yeah, h1 tag, you have to write h1 tag, the logo h1 tag. After that, you have to write the third one is a login button. So you have to button login. After that, we need a icons. So we have another icons. We already the metal icons. This one we import it. So second one is a what is icons with there? Search and cart. So yeah, you have to this filter action. You have to get rid of this. This is a search. Copy this one. You already copy this style. This is a search. You just copy this. We already the styles you have to apply. We no need to apply again. We just copied and paste over here. Now let's check back. Here it's coming. Later on we have to arrange all the style and all. Okay. So after that we have the second icon, which is a cart, icon. So cart icon, what you're going to do is you have to type on it over here, cart. This chart, copy this card or back, this one, copy this. Okay, here this one. Here this one, cart, copy. Here paste on it. Let's check it. Here, it's working. Okay, it's working. Now what you're going to see here, this one. I want to be this container, justify container center. Justify content. You have to write this one as a space between that you justify content space between, you have to write put it this one, justify content space between, you have to write like this. So after that you have to make it as a another one is a justify content this one. So another one you have to write align item center, you have to write this one also, the pad, the gap and all the things you have to write it here, this one you have to write it. The second one option you have to write it over here, align item center. You have to align item center and you have to write this one as a black color, you have to make it as black. Now it's arranged here. This one you have to make the button styles. Okay, you have to make the gap property, which is you have to gap. Okay, the icons, the gap you have to set it here. Later on here, this also now you have to set it here. This is the phone number, this is dress count. Okay, this one the alignment is perfectly aligned here. Okay, so this is you have to write here align enter center 0.50 margin. This is the left and right margin. So this is a left and right margin mean it should be aligned here 50. Here also you get 50. 0.50 mean it will be alignment over here. After that you have to set the property, we have called the property space between, it will be alignment equally. This one, these three things, it will equally, it will be divided. Okay, it will be equally, it will be divided. Okay, that's the thing, it will be tapen. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to move the things. Okay, you have to move the things. So you write the another one is a I want to move another things, which is a this one, which one, icons. So what I'm going to say, I'm going to make the heading icons, open and close bracket. Here I have to paste them. we have to do what, how to this one, we have to flags gap, we have to make it as 20 gaps. Okay, 20 gaps here. Now it here, it aligns up here. Now it's working here. It perfectly, it will be aligned here. It's working perfectly well here. Now you can see here, right? It's no problem, it will be aligned successfully, right? So this one also we have to later on we have to do it. Okay, so here it's working perfectly well. Now what you're going to do is here, this one I want to get this one, I want to make the buttons, make the style. I want to make the style of the button. That's a must. We have to make the style of the button. We have to write the make the styles. So okay, so I want to radius and everything. Okay, okay. So here I want to explain this one new button. It's called as this button. We have to go head. This button class you have to make as new button. New button. Okay, button class I would make as new button. CSS style dot new button, open and close bracket. You have to paste on it here. This one you have to make it as left margin. Don't, no, we need the left margin, so we have to make this style so little. Okay, now let's check it. It's not a new button. You have to type it. It's a professional way to you have to call it. I'll be explain. Don't worry. Why it's not happening? Sorry, this is a class name, not a class name. Okay, this is not a class, that's why. Okay, this is a class name, that's why it not getting. So this border, this all things I want to remove. This not one 0.5 left margin, right margin, everything. Control S to save. Now let's bring back to the application. Okay, here it will be small login button. So if you want to make the style little bit what one. Okay, so here this one you have to make this one as a transparent along with the border. That's also enough. So I want to make the color which is a black color would be enough. The black color and white font, that is beautiful. Here this one should be the beautiful one. It's a totally it is amazing. Okay, you can see the amazing things here. You can get the amazing style. So here right, what is the thing, padding left, right, bottom, all the things are border radius. I am going to set 2%, and font 1 ram, bold you have to color using the bold. These are things. So if you want to need this font also, I want to call this font which one, I want to make this font also, I want this top bar section via this font. Poppins, you have to use the form Poppins. That is a professional font for this. I want to the font also we have used in the container. Control S to save. Bring back to the application. So now change it to sorry this sorry it automatically added. Okay, let's check it back it will be bold. Okay, the Poppins it's called a bold font. For this we have to make this one bold. We have to we make it as normal. Now let's check back. It's okay, it's a Poppins font. See, okay, it's Poppins. The all things make this font, all the fonts make it as Poppins. You can see it here. Now this one also, the call also we have to make the alignment also the call. That's also not good for this call. Here also the h4 tag. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I want to make the thing is first one. Okay, this one you have to make it as this one should be h4. You have to make it as h5. This one also h5. Little bit small. Okay, it's now it's look okay. Here now it look fine. It's look fine. You can see here this look fine. Okay, this look fine now. Here this search bar. This is this one. If you want to make the gap, we need a more gap. We need a more gap. I have put into the icons 20 gap. You have the 30 back. You have to put the 31 here. It's a 30. It in between these three icons. So here what is this error mean? So let's change this one also. Here the category JSX. Here I already we have to add this container. So the same name we have to apply it. So that's the problem. So you have to try this one. Make it as container one. This container one we have to call the category CSS also container one. Okay, now the names that they are a name problem. Okay, the name conversation problem. Now it's okay. Here it's successfully it's working. You will be able to see the thing is working successfully. You will be able to see. So a little bit there are many spaces in between this. We have to reduce the spaces and all. So here that all the things we have to cover. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can let me know. Thank you for watching.